just on. Um, so yesterday I pulled a card that said a lot of things, but what it said is, you are what you seek. And ah, that filled me with such joy. I'm always saying, I am light and I am love. And, I feel the love and I feel the peace. So, can't believe I found it. Anyway, I have a new instrument. It's a Kalimba. I don't know what normally happens on it, but I'm just going to try it out. My instruments, I always feel like they have a voice and something to say. So let's just see. And I am not a traditional, obviously you guys know, a traditional, I'm a musician at all. I don't read music. I have no concept of it at all. I don't know what the rhythm is. And here I am. Anyway, I love you guys. Let's see what it has to say on April 1st. April 1st, sorry guys. Peace and so much love, guys. Peace, peace, peace.